Hi everyone, my name is Allison Grosz. I'm an attorney and a partner with Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC here in New York City. Today I want to talk about the outcome of the election and what we've been receiving as a lot of people's concerns about what may happen to them under the new Trump administration. I just wanted to throw out there really quickly that I've been receiving mostly inquiries from existing clients and also potential clients of people that are very concerned about the threat of the Trump administration to conduct what's called mass deportations at the beginning of the new administration starting in January 2025. A lot of my existing clients and potential clients are people who are concerned about whether or not this new administration is going to be affecting their ongoing existing cases, such as their applications for legal status that are currently pending, their soon to be filed or intention of filing for legal status, or a lot of people that are already in removal proceedings or have an application pending before either the immigration court or USCIS, specifically at the asylum office. I wanted to let everybody know that the advice that I generally give to my clients, as well as anyone else who might ask these questions, is that first of all, if you have a pending application for legal status in the United States, or if you have eligibility for legal status in the United States, as well as if you already have legal status in the United States, of course, you can rely on that legal status or on that potential for legal status. These changes that are likely to come are not going to be something that affect people who are already in the United States with legal status. In addition to that, for people that are in removal proceedings before an immigration court, they're effectively protected in the immigration court as long as they continue to update their address with the court, attend all of their removal proceedings, and generally follow the rules and regulations of what is required if you are in proceedings before an immigration judge. Now, this isn't to say that we have any idea what's to come in the new administration when President Trump takes office in January 2025. Obviously, we've already been here. We had one prior administration several years ago, and so we can anticipate that there will be several new developments or changes when the new administration comes. Now, new developments and changes with a new presidential administration is not new, it's not unusual, and it's not unique to the Trump administration. Every time a president takes office, there are several changes that affect the immigration policies, procedures, and sometimes regulations and laws inside of the United States. Now, just because an incoming president threatens certain actions that are going to take place, sometimes that just garners headlines. It doesn't actually mean that they will carry out or have the legal potential or ability to carry out some of those threats that they say they're going to do. We obviously are anticipating that there will be the changes similar to what happened in the prior Trump administration, only because we've already been through this before. We can anticipate that some of these changes will affect many people. And of course, if you are an existing client of ours or potential client of ours and become a client, we always notify every one of our clients as soon as there is a regulatory or procedural or policy change that may affect the outcome of their case. I always like to tell people that until there is a change, this is very important to keep in mind, until there is a change, do not plan on a change happening. We can only anticipate what might happen, but we don't ever make any plans around what will happen. We can only advise that we will always file people's statuses. We will always pursue any legal opportunities that people may have that fall within the realm of the laws of the United States. With that being said, I encourage everyone to try to stay calm, see what happens in the future. We've been here before. There were a lot of prior threats that took place. There were a lot of changes that were made, and we all made it through it. With that being said, we here at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC, are happy to answer anyone's questions or concerns about their pending immigration status, their future immigration status, or about any other immigration matters. You can feel free to find us online at hemrick.law, or you can reach us by phone at 833-848-7838. And until next time, everybody be well.